We've been contracted in to take out some blackwoods for Sacred Heart Catholic School down in Geeveston. There was an arborist report that deemed some of them were unsafe, as well as there's going to be a construction pathway going underneath to a new shed that's been built, and a new playground is actually going to be built within close proximity to the canopy and the roots. So it was deemed necessary to take out these trees, and so we're just taking them out over the next couple of days. Got a good crew on here. You got myself, Rogan, you've got Luke, and you've got Mike. So we'll have a bit of time to climb some trees, fall some trees, a bit of everything. We've got a few bits of equipment on site. Should be a good couple of days.
5 centimeters?
Yeah.